Man, it has been 2 years since I deconditioned my hair. I don't know, but let's go and get some moisture in this hair. Gonna need water, deep conditioner of choice, and some clips. I'm trying out the Manuka honey and yogurt deep conditioner from Shea Moisture for the first time, so hopefully could add a lot of moisture to my hair. I need it. First things first, I'm going to unravel the twist. I'm only going to do it section by section, and I'm going to wet my hair using the spray bottle. You can use water from a sink, a shower, however you like, and then I'm going to add the deep conditioner. Over the years, I just found that I get a better result if I deep condition my hair while it's wet. My hair ends up being softer, and it also seems to absorb the moisture a lot easier when I deep condition my hair while it's wet. This deep conditioner is supposed to specifically be for extremely dry and brittle hair, so I'm excited to see what the result is going to be like. Let's see if it could add some extra moisture and love to my hair after not deep conditioning my hair for over 2 years. Oh my gosh. So while in the middle of shooting this video, I realized that I seem to have like a bald spot, and it's very concerning to me because I've never had anything like this before. I've never experienced any type of hair loss. I really don't know what could be causing this, and I'm very concerned. I don't know. I have to figure it out and see what I could do to help this area grow back because I don't like that. And I have to also figure out what is causing this. But anyways, now that the deep conditioner is in, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a shower cap. You could use a plastic bag, whatever you choose. And I'm gonna leave it in for about 30 minutes. And now that 30 minutes has passed, it's time to wash out the deep conditioner. I don't know if you could tell, but it already seems to me that I'm gonna have a good result. Some of my curls are looking defined. Okay. And as you can see, it was not hard for me to detangle my hair using this deep conditioner, which I love. So my hair is starting to look a lot shinier. The curls are looking defined. You see that? And now this is what my hair looks like after twisting it, putting in my leave-in conditioner, my oil. My hair is looking shiny. It's not perfect, it's not all the way there yet, but it's looking a lot healthier in comparison to what it looked like at the beginning of the video. Okay. And this is the final result. As you can see, my curls are looking a lot tighter. Hair is bouncy, living my best life, stiff wear. I'm really loving this result. I can't get enough. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed my video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you enjoy my content, don't forget to hit subscribe. And I will catch you next time.